everyone, welcome to another video by Bird Pickup Delivery. So, you've enabled pickup for one of your locations from our app since you want to enable scheduling of your pickup orders. Let's test it by clicking on Checkout. Even after choosing Pickup on the cart page, you're given another choice between shipping and store pickup on the checkout page. On top of that, under the pickup method, it says shipping not available. In some situations, it can also show shipping or local delivery rates in here. These are extremely confusing and frustrating to the customers and can lead to abandoned checkouts. And in this video, you will learn how to fix all of these issues and how to properly set up pickup from the Bird app. The first thing we'll do is go to Bird Settings, then click on Rates, and you'll notice the rates onboarding hasn't been completed yet. In the first step, we'll add a pickup rate, save it, and move to the next step. In the second step, since this store doesn't offer local delivery, so we'll leave that option as is and continue. Now we'll enable all three options. Create and update rates on Shopify, which pushes the rates live to your shipping profile. Control which rates are displayed in checkout, which will ensure that only the pickup rate, the one we just created in step 1, is shown when we have selected pickup in the cart page, and disable Shopify's built-in store pickup, which was showing up as the second prompt between shipping and store pickup in the checkout page. Finally, let's click Finish Setup. Back on the cart page, we'll choose a date and time slot from the Bird widget and attempt checkout again. As the checkout page loads, we'll see that both issues are now gone. The customer selects pickup on the cart page only once and is shown the correct pickup rate in the checkout without any conflict or error. This is the correct way to set up pickup using the Bird Pickup and Delivery app. Now, a couple of additional things worth knowing. Along with pickup scheduling, you can also send ready for pickup and picked up notifications to customers directly from our app. From the Bird Orders page, select one or more orders and use the Mark as Ready or Mark as Picked Up buttons. Notifications go out automatically. To customize those notifications, go to Settings, then Email Notifications, and click on Ready for Pickup Email. You'll see the full HTML body, which you can edit to match your brand, and preview it to see exactly how it looks. If you are migrating from Shopify's built-in pickup option, then you are used to marking orders as ready and marking them picked up from here in the Shopify Order Details page. When you are using pickup from the Bird app, then you can mark orders as ready from the top right dropdown. Click on More Actions and you'll see Bird Mark Ready, which sends the same Ready for Pickup notification, which we customized from the Bird app earlier. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, reach out at support@birdchime.com or visit birdchime.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.